In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to designate a favorite domain in your Cloudflare dashboard. Whether you're new to Cloudflare or just looking to streamline your workflow by keeping certain domains easily accessible, this guide will walk you through the process with ease and clarity. First, let's head over to the Cloudflare dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your domains and their associated settings. Once you log in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard interface. For some, especially if you're managing multiple domains, this might seem a bit overwhelming at first. But don't worry, we're going to help you get it organized. Now, you'll need to locate the specific domain you want to set up as your favorite. This is crucial because making a domain a favorite means it will be more readily accessible, allowing you to prioritize its maintenance and updates. Take a moment to scan through your list of domains carefully to ensure you're selecting the right one. Typically, domains are listed in a column, and you can simply scroll through or use the search functionality to quickly find the domain you're looking for, especially if you're dealing with a lengthy list. Once you've found the desired domain, focus your attention on the three vertical dots on the far right of its entry. This icon is a common representation of additional options or settings and will provide a drop-down menu with several choices. The use of these dots is a convenient feature in many applications, offering a clean and unobtrusive way to house additional commands. Next, you'll want to go ahead and click on those three dots. A small menu will appear, showing various options you can apply to this particular domain. From this list, you should select the star domain option. By choosing this action, you'll mark the domain as a favorite within your account. Doing so highlights this domain for quick access and future visits to your dashboard, making it an ideal choice for those domains you regularly manage or monitor. And just like that, you're finished. You've successfully made the domain a favorite. This little trick can save you time and improve your workflow efficiency by simplifying how you interact with your domain listings every time you log into Cloudflare. It might seem like a small step, but it offers considerable benefits if you often juggle multiple domain management tasks. In summary, organizing and prioritizing your domain dashboard via this favorite feature is a great step toward a more streamlined and efficient management process. So go ahead and give it a try, and you'll find it makes navigating the Cloudflare platform that much easier. Thanks for watching.